Hello guys, my name is Grecia Valeria Gomez Reyes, and today I will show you this program that I wrote in Python that solves systems of linear equations. But first of all, what are those systems? The systems of simultaneous linear equations consist on a group of two or more equations with the same number of unknown quantities. Here I have an example. And we require a system with two independent linear equations. So there are many methods that we can use to solve systems of linear equations that will be explained. But in my case, I will just explain you the determinants method, okay? The determinants method for a matrix that is 2 plus 2, a square matrix, is this. Here I have the matrix A, B, C, D, and the determinant is calculated like this. We will have to multiply A times D minus B times C, and then we have the determinant. And if we want to calculate the X, we will have to calculate the determinant of X divided by the determinant of the system, and the same with Y, okay? So I will show you here my program as an example. I have this equation, 15x plus 11y equals 32, minus 9x plus 7y equals 8. So here I have my algorithm. First, we have to read the matrix of coefficients. 2, we have to calculate the determinant of the system. Then we calculate the determinant of x and y. Then we calculate x and y using the determinants. Then we check the solutions, and then we show the results. So we will start by importing the necessary modules. We will import Cs. Then we read the matrix of the coefficients from the keyboard. We have to write this command. And then we will have to read the real number with float. We will do this for every variable that we have here, from A11 to A12 to A21 to A22, sorry. And also we have to read the vector b for b1 and b2 also with float. Now we will calculate the determinant of the system. As I told you, we calculate this way, okay? And I have A11 times A22 minus A21 times A12. Now we verify. Okay, in this case, I will show you that this matrix is not a singular matrix. What is a singular matrix? It's a matrix that where the determinant is 0, and this means that maybe it can be solved or it has infinite solutions. So in this case, I will write here to find my file. I will write Python. I will copy the file, the name of the file. Okay, let me write an space. Okay, now for A11 we will write 15. From A12 we will write 11. From A22 we will write minus 9. From A22 we will write 7. From B1 we will write 32. And for B2, 8. So here I have all of my system. Here it calculates the values of B1 and B2 just to verify it, and they are the same in both equations. Then we calculate the value of X, that is 0.6666, and the value of Y, that is 2, and the determinant of the system, that is 204. So here I don't have a singular equation, but I will repeat it, but I will write another numbers. In this case, 3, 12, 2, 8, 0, 0. So it is a singular matrix. It can be solved because the determinant is 0. So here I have, this is my whole program if you want to see it. And well, that's all from my part. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that it will be useful for you. Thank you. See you the next time.